What's going on, y'all? We back with another video, another POV video for y'all, man. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see the Trackhawk right there, man, looking nice and sexy. I know y'all like the Trackhawk. Y'all been telling me, yo, do more POV. This is my second POV, y'all, so bear with me, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Don't roast me in the comments too much, yo. I ain't Quan. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing my thing. Don't hate on me, y'all. You know what I'm saying? But we about to get into it. But check this guitar out, y'all. See where we at? We at the Hard Rock Cafe. Look at this shit right here, y'all. God damn, this shit look good. Got the Trackhawk right there. But nevertheless, y'all, let's get into this video. So we're in the Trackhawk right now. We're gonna go ahead and start this thing up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all already know we gotta go drive mode. We don't do nothing but, you know what I'm saying? We don't do nothing but track mode, y'all. Nothing but track mode. You know what I'm saying? Traction mode off. And here we go, y'all. And we off. What's going on, my YouTube people? Y'all been asking for the POVs on the Trackhawk. Here we go. We got the black gloves on. Ha. We're about to roam around the city, see what we could do. See what's cracking. We're in full power. How y'all doing, man? Hey, man, y'all bear with me with them POVs. You know what I'm saying? This is like my second POV, so yo, let's see what this. That's a Tesla next to me, y'all. Let's see what's up. This a Tesla. Oh! Oh! Ah. Man. Anyway, y'all, that Tesla ain't want no smoke. Anyway, y'all, let me put the windows up. Put the windows up for y'all, but the POV is gonna get better, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I got the lighting coming for the dashboard. I got the steering wheel coming, so I could do some more POVs for y'all, man. And I'm kind of getting used to this, so y'all work with me, y'all. Like, you know what I mean? I love this truck, yo. Out of all the mobiles I had, the Trackhawk by far is probably the best, I'd say. More space, you know what I mean? Just everything, bro. The all-wheel drive. I don't really care for the, you know what I'm saying, spinning and all that shit in the Hellcat. I felt like the Trackhawk just take off and go, man. You know what I mean? I never really cared about doing donuts and all that shit, you know what I mean? But I don't know, man. That all-wheel drive is just different. Hey, what up, bro?
Let's race. Oh, you got a camp? Oh.
Yeah, I'm doing a POV right now.
Let's race, let's race.
Yeah, all right.
Oh,
All right.
Hold on.
You ready?
Yeah. Hold on, we gotta wait. Hold on.
Hey, man, hey, y'all gonna check it out on YouTube.
Get us in that video, get us in that video. Hey, what's on YouTube?
It's on the side of my glass.
What that? No, Emma.
Mopar Crazy Exotic.
Hell yeah.
You ready?
Hey, you need Bless Miami. I cut hair, I'm a barber.
Oh, yeah? Oh shit, that's crazy. They caught me right when I'm about to launch this motherfucker, yo. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh my God, you see, man, when you just go out at nighttime, the type of stuff you see at night, man, is crazy. You say he a barber. I need a barber right now, so I'm about to tell him send me a DM. Hey, send me a DM, dog. I need a barber.
You smoke me, bro.
Hey, send me a DM. I need a barber. I need a barber.
Hey, let me know.
Send me.
Bless Miami. You need Bless Miami.
Hey, DM me.
I'll DM you.
Yeah.
DM you. I'm in Hialeah.
All right. Yo, I think I just made their night, yo. Those fools are so happy. That is crazy, yo. That is crazy, yo. What's up, man?
Oh.
Y'all gonna be on the vlog?
What's your gram?
It's right here on the back glass.
Yo, fam, I got one of those too.
Hey, y'all gonna be on the vlog, man.
Hey, no, you know what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me hear it.
Yo, I don't know what's up with these fools, but they love, man, I'm on the track. That's not even good. I'm on the goddamn train tracks, bro. Come on, bro. Get me off this shit. Bro. Get me off the train tracks, bro. Bro, I'm literally sitting on the train tracks. We got the police out here. Fort Lauderdale police. Yo, this shit is crazy out here. Everybody's partying and I'm out here making videos, making vlogs and shit. Everybody out here having fun, y'all. And I'm here making vlogs, man. I know I could go, fool. Yo, this shit is crowded. What the fuck? These niggas out here. Oh, what the fuck is that? Yo. I hope I don't get copyright for all this bullshit going on in the background. I hope I don't get copyright, man. We got the police everywhere.
Hey, what's up?
They love it, they love it. Yo, this nigga, damn, he's driving fast. All right, y'all. You know what? Fuck it. Boogie, boogie. Shoo. Yo, downtown is packed, yo. It is packed down here. Yes, sir. It is stupid packed down here. What the fuck is this? Yeah, yo, it is wild down here. It's ridiculous down here. Yo, we just found a tunnel. Oh shit. Y'all know we gotta make noise in the tunnel. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my god. Oh, oh shit. It's all in the head, man. You just gotta, you know what I'm saying? Find something that you like, man. That's what I had to do. I always like making content, but, you know, since that, you know, my YouTube is doing good, y'all fucking with me on the YouTube, on the content, man. I love y'all for supporting me, man, because this is what I like to do for my therapy, man. Making entertaining people. There you go, entertaining people. That's what I like to do. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna sit here and feel sorry for myself and always trying to get off on people and be like, oh man, you know, I did 4 combat tours, this and this and this and this and this, man. Once you get out the army, yo, people don't give a shit. That's what I always tell people, bro. When I was in the army, I wasn't fighting for my country. I was fighting for the man next to me. The guy to my left and right. That's what I was fighting for, man. Because, you know, people don't care, bro. People don't care. Freedom ain't free. That's all I'm gonna say. Y'all, it's been a long night, man. I've been out all night. Let me see, what time is it? I don't even know what time is it right now. It is, as y'all can see, it's 2:48 in the morning, y'all. But you know, I'm gonna start doing a lot of POVs for y'all, man. I do this just for y'all, because I know y'all been telling me y'all like them POVs. But we're gonna end this video. It's been a long night, you know what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We're gonna be doing a lot more POVs, South Beach POVs. We're gonna be doing Wynwood POVs. We're gonna be doing a whole lot of POVs, downtown Miami POVs. So let me know, man, you know what I'm saying? But to everybody that's already subscribed, watching the channel, man, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. And I'm tired right now. I know I'm stumbling over my words. I'm real tired right now, y'all. Y'all don't understand. I'm tired. But I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Please subscribe again. Don't forget. And you could also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. It's all the same name, Mopar Crazy Exotic. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video.